What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be putting short tube headers on my 1995 Chevy G20 van. It has the 5.7 liter 350 in it, and first we're going to start it up so that way we can get all the exhaust bolts nice and hot. I already sprayed them down with PV Blaster yesterday, so they should be loosened up pretty good. The reason we want to get it nice and hot is so it breaks up any, rust, things like that, to try to expand the metal, to expands, contracts, to break up any rust so we don't snap anything. Alright, so let's get the before sound and the after. Right now we're going to get the before. And it is nice and cold out, as you guys can see. That is truly a cold start. So we're going to let it run for about 45 minutes to get everything heated up. We took the tires off just to make working under it easier. Alright, I got the dog box off. It's all nice and warmed up. Now we're going to start with the middle bolts here, and then we're going to work our way out. Now, I'm not really worried about warping the head. That's why you do it, so you don't mess the head up. It's an iron head. So if it was aluminum, I'd definitely be cautious. But with this, I'm not really worried about it, but I'm still going to do it right because that's why it's the right way. Alright, let's get to it. There we go. Perfect. Alright, so this bolt here has a little bracket thing on it that goes up somewhere, I believe, to do with the AC system. So we're going to take this off. This is just a simple nut. Alright, so I'm taking this bracket off, and it is attached to the AC compressor. And there's that. Use a 9/16 wrench. These are all 9/16. We figured that'd be the easiest way to get that one in particular out. That's the shield. Alright, for our next bolt, we're going to be taking this one off here. Try to get access to it, yeah. We're taking that one off, and then we're going to go out of pattern a little bit and take that one off all the way down next, just so that way my last one is this here, to make my job a little bit easier. Heat shield. Alright, we're taking out the bolt all the way to the left. After that, we only have this one left, and then the left side will be good. I unplugged the OT sensor as well, so no worries there. Alright, just got her out. It's a little stuck in the socket, but that's why I didn't record me taking it out. Here's a good example of how I get things out of sockets. Now, something old and rusty like this bolt here, yeah, blacktop, but it's just, and I'm not trying to be funny, that just works. Alright, last bolt here. Now she's loose. Now we're on the other side, we're on the passenger side, and we're gonna get started with this one. This one I'll make pretty quick for you guys. Alright, so the one all the way to the front here, it is also a bracket similar to the other one on the other side, except this is the bracket for the oil-filled dipstick tube. So the way it connects to the oil-filled dipstick tubes is just kind of like snaps on. It's not bolted on or anything like that, as far as I can see. But so it's similar to the other one, just a thing of bracketing, no big deal. Alright, so same thing with the other side. It's just kind of one of them weird studs. And then you take this bolt off, and then we're going to have to unsnap it from the top there. And I can slide that off and get to it like it's a regular exhaust bolt. Alright, so I got the other bolt out, and of course the very last bolt is the one that wants to strip, as you can see. And I just have my strip set out. This is the 9/16 14mm one, working fine, so good and bad, you know. Bad that it's stripped, good thing that this is working. Otherwise, you know, we'd be out of luck, because it'd be pretty hard to get vice grips on there, just the way that things are like right over here, there's no room here, it comes down to here, so. But I just bought this too. The bolt strips kit. A kit to take out strip bolts, nuts and all that stuff, but yep. It's the last one, because that's my luck. But hey, she's coming. That's all that matters. Alright, I got it out. The exhaust is loose. I gotta roll under, start hooking stuff under it, or see if I can just pull it down. I'm not sure yet. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is put all the bolts in this water bottle, because then I can put rust remover in it. I'm using vinegar because it's anything that's extremely acidic. Now, the reason why I'm doing this is because I'm probably going to have to reuse a couple of these bolts. So, I'm going in for the night, since I am. I'm going to let this strip all the rust off of them. Well, strip a lot of the rust off of them, not all. But yep, the water will get very murky. You can already see it taking effect, even though I just put it in. Alright, so that sucker's on there. So we got the good old Ugga Dugga machine. Close your eyes, child. Well, it came. This one's next. I love working on old cars. Oh no, I broke. Uh-oh. Yep. Yep, it's broke.
How you put that bolt there? Oh, it broke.
Oh, there she comes. Yep.
Oh, shoot, man. Oh, shoot, man. That thing's heavy. Oh, man. Oh. That does not taste good. Just drop it. It doesn't really matter.
Yep. Alright, so I'm just going to chase these threads real quick, and I'll get to that, but I'm not going to show all that because that's just plain boring. We had to bend these tubes a little bit for clearance, and now we're going to put this rear bracket in that goes for the transmission dipstick, and I got my bubble cover me on the other side. Alright, we're over on the other side. I got the other side's spark plugs and everything torqued to spec. Everything's back where it belongs. And right now we're putting this stud in here because we have to hook up the AC bracket back again. So we're gonna go ahead and get to that. We just have the bolts like finger tightened in pretty much. And yeah, we'll get back at it. Alright, we got the two sensor in here. They're all spark plugs are all torqued down, the heads are torqued down, everything's all good. We just gotta put that bracket back on, and then we're gonna start her up. See what happens. Alright, everything's torqued down, the plugs are back where, or the ignition coils are back where they belong. We couldn't get this bracket back on, so we just zip tied it up here for now. We have the sensors in, everything should be good. We almost have the sensors in. Just put that. Get this one in. So yesterday I went out and I got her nice and hot. We started it up, then we went back afterwards because the seal needs to contract, or the gasket needs to contract, and then we retorqued the heads and everything. So I'm going to show you guys what it sounds like now. This is a cold start. I haven't started it since early yesterday. Guys, there you go. That's it. That's part one of this video. Part two will be creating the rest of the exhaust system, and I got a couple ideas for that. Thanks for watching. If you stuck this far around, have a nice day.